Let's wait for 2-3 minutes, then we'll start. Let's start the okay. Let's start the IPv6. Okay, today we'll do the IPv6. Am I audible on that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any idea about the IP? Today we'll continue only the IPv6. Okay, and on the next week, we'll do this part. Actually, I'm not feeling well today, so we'll do the IPv6, and then
If you're not feeling good,
no, IPv6 we can continue because it's only 45 minutes. It's not a big session.
okay, sir.
Okay, so that we are very good for the next week closure. GRE, MGRE, and DMVPN. Okay, these three things we can do next week. It will need 3 days. Okay, and if any very small topic, I will check once more the all the syllabus. If anything, I think 99.9% everything is covered now. So if anything missed, we'll do. We have 2 days buffer. I think 1 day's I have some work, so extra 1 day I have the buffer, so we can continue on that day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I need to check with you guys. So you and Dinesh, if you are available for the next Sunday, because I think we can do the interview session there. If you are available on Sunday, we can do. Else, we will try to do on Saturday. Okay. Once Dinesh come, we will discuss, because that is the complementary. That is the last session. This week, next week, your course will be over by Thursday. So if you are available on Sunday, we can do the interview session on Sunday. Else, we can do on the Friday. Because for the weekend batch also, Sunday we have the interview session. Okay. So before that, please start the IPv6. Okay. Any idea about the IPv6 part?
You are looking at the IPv4 is a 32-bit, and the
Okay,
IPv6 is 128-bit.
yes, very good. IPv4 is actually a 32-bit. IPv6 128-bit. Okay. And IPv6 is represented in which format? Any idea? It's in the hexadecimal.
Yeah, that's simple.
Okay. Then how it is represented actually? A, B, C, D.
There is the address type, the 3 to 4 type is the address.
1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these are what IPv4 is like this type. A, B, C, D. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
These are known as in IPv4. These are known as in the IPv4 what these are called. Octet?
Yeah, the bits, network bits and the host bits.
Yes,
Okay.
network is there, but this type of
Okay.
very small segmentation, these are the octet. Okay.
Okay.
But here this is hexadecimal. Okay. Total, how many numbers will be there? Total, how many IP address, IPv6 address? In IPv4, what is that?
IPv4, it's at 2 raised to 32.
Yes. And here, 2 to the power 128.
128, right.
Okay. Very small thing. Actually, I don't know if you are using the IPv6. Very rare people, very rare organization, they are using the IPv6. So very less practical exposure in this. You are using on your environment IPv6?
No, sir.
Yes. So this is the reason it is very less practical exposure, but sometimes you will get the very basic interview question like this. How many bit? Okay, maybe IPv6, they will ask very simple basic question. So we need to know some basic things. Okay. Then you know about this part. Extended unique identifier. Okay. Extended unique identifier, that is UI. Suppose I am not writing the completely host bit. Okay. So what they will do, they will automatically do through the UI. I will show you how it will be work. Okay. But UI is the method of config IPv6 address automatically.
Based on the MAC address, sir.
Yes, based on the MAC address. You are right. Okay. Based on the MAC address. Okay. And here 64 is for the network, 64 is for the host. Generally, we are taking. If you are taking slug 64, means it's fixed 64 for the network and this one for the host. You know what is the network and what is the host in
Yes,
IPv4? Network we cannot change. Am I right? It's flexi. Okay. Okay. So these are some basic things in the IPv6 address. Okay. Now let's represent this IPv6 address. Okay. Let me take a snap. If Dinesh will come, I will directly show it here. Okay. Now, how we can represent them? Format. Okay. How actually it's look like? Actually, it's very difficult to write the any number I can take. Suppose 1, 1, EF, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, this way. 1, 1, 1, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose any number AE 1, 1, 3, 1, select 64. Okay. So how I can represent this one? Okay, how I can do in the shortest form? There is a compre comprehensive zero method. You know this one?
Yes, sir. I had remember we can use the 00 and the double semicolon also.
Yes, 201. Like I can use this one 12 11 EF. Then for all the zero, I can use the double semicolon. Okay.
Yes.
2222 1111 AE 11. Then okay. For all the three, I can ignore. In the IPv6, left one, this one you can ignore. Okay, the zero. So I write only missed zero, I write only the one. But for the all consecutive zero, I am putting this symbol, double semicolon, double column. Okay. But could you please let me know if it is possible to put 2 times this? Now how I can, okay, let me tell you this one before coming to that. Suppose I am putting this one 2001.
If we have the consecutive 0 in 2 times.
Yes, either we can we put 2 times? Can we put 1, 2? Is it possible?
I don't know, sir.
No. Reason I will let you know right now. Okay. Here 1 EF, then 1 2 3 4. Okay. So here how I can represent this one? 2001, then double 0, sorry, 1 1 E. Let me write it again. Then I can write this one as a 0. Okay. This type, this one I can make double column. Here I can make it's the 1. Okay. But suppose I am writing this one 2001, then this 1 1 1 1. Okay. 0 0 1 /64. Now what does the its mean? It's consecutive 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here also it's mean the consecutive 0.
Hmm.
So could you please let me know how many field are 0? Because in the hexadecimal it is known as the field. In IPv4 it is known as the octet. Here it is known as the field. How many field are 0? Can you identify? Suppose 2001, maybe here 1 2 3. Double 1 1 1 1. And here maybe 1 2 3 4. Then you have the
0 0 1 0
1.
0.
So can we tell here either 3 consecutive field is 0 or 2 consecutive field is 0 or 1 consecutive field is 0? Can you identify here if you will put like this?
No, sir.
It is because 1 2. Okay, we have 6 left. Maybe here 4 2. Maybe here 3 3. 5 1. Can we identify? We cannot do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2 times, never put 2 times this 2 colon symbol. It's not possible. This is the reason. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's sum this part. Now do some comparison in IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4. Okay. IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 you have broadcast, unicast, multicast, broadcast, multicast, unicast. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here it is known as anycast. These are same. Multi, unique. Okay. And how this IPv6 address type? Okay. IPv6 address by global
Global.
unicast. That is your public IP. Site local. That is your private. These are some theoretical things. Very less chance you will get this type of question, but if possible, try to remember. Link local. It's just like EPIPA, but not exactly EPIPA. It is something in the non-routable IP. It is special one-to-one. Suppose GN router, one router is connected here. From this this address link local, they are discovering the neighbor discovery protocol, NDP. But they are allowing. I will show you in the lab how it looks like. It's something related to the MAC address. Okay, and this is non-routable. This will not travel to another router. Means this to this only for communication. It will not travel to here, through here to here. Okay, means if it will go to here to here, here to here, it is not possible. Non-routable IP.
So this IP will not show into the routing
It's
table.
not IP, it's like something AP08 MAC type.
Okay.
Okay, I will show you in the routing. Sorry, I will show you in the routing table. Okay.
What is the
Yeah.
second point you have mentioned?
Site local.
Site. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Site. First one is global unicast, then
Yes, sir.
site local.
Site local private IP and link
Clear
local.
now?
Yes, sir. Right. Link local.
Non-routable, just link to link for the NDP. Okay, never discovery protocol. I will show you that part. Now you need to remember how it look like. For the public IP, it will be start from 2000 or 3000. Okay. And for the private, there's something looks like FCFD. Okay, start with this one. And this one will something look like FE8.
FE8.
Yes. I will show you this one. These are some basic things you need to remember. Now it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do, oh, what is going on here? Now you need to know something IPv6 configuration part now we will do. Statically you can put. Then we have two options. Dynamic. From dynamic, you can put stateless or stateful. Stateful means it will be via EUI64, what I have told you automatically. Okay. Here it will be DHCP version 6. Exactly same like what I have shown you in the DHCP server in the info. Okay, same thing, but it's the DHCP IPv6 address. Okay, this way we can configure the IPv6 port address. Statically we can configure, dynamic we can configure, then stateful. Stateful is the IPv6 address. Okay, let me open one lab. Not lab, first let me show you, then we'll do two lab. EIGRP will do, OSPF will do. How to give the IP address. Okay. Config key. Let me show you how to give the IP address how it EUI64 is working. Then we'll do two labs. For one is for the EIGRP, one is for the OSPF. Okay. Interface FA0/0 IPv6 address 2001. Suppose I am putting like this 10 1 12 colon 1/24. My 64 bit is fixed. Okay. Then no sir. Then so IPv6 interface brief. Now you can see this IP I have given.
Yes, sir. In this address, sir, the after double semicolon is start the host bit from
Host
one.
bit, yes.
Okay.
Okay, I make everything 0 and only 1. Okay. So what you can see, this is the IP address. It's okay. It is the static IP address. Did not do the UI. Okay. Now you can see this one.
Yes, sir.
Automatically it is created. It will by default it will create is local link local. Okay. This is non-routable. This is not routable. This is non-routable. And it is just for the NDP. This one.
NDP means, sir,
No, NDP, never discovery protocol.
never discovery. Okay.
Okay. Now let me give one more IP through UI. Interface FA0/1. Sorry, 0/1. Okay. IPv6 address. Let me put any address, one address. Let me try to put same type 2001. Then 10. Then 1. Oh, sorry. It's very difficult to write the IP. 75. Okay. Now in the host section, I am not putting anything. Okay. Just 64 UI64. Okay. No set. So IPv6 interface. Now you can see automatically it created the host site also. You can see.
Yes, sir. Host side is created.
Okay. Now let's, you know how it is actually derived. And what was my IP address? Which IP address I have given? Now let's calculate how it is being derived. First, we need to see the MAC address. So interface FA0/1. This one. You know this one is the BIA is the MAC address.
No, sir.
That is the born in address. Okay.
Okay.
That is the MAC address. Okay. How it is? Oh. It is, you can see. Okay. So pass these you can leave as of now. You can leave as of now. Okay. First, what we did, we need to know how it has been created. Because what I did, only UI64. Am I right?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Dinesh, we just start the IPv6. Just
Sorry
go
for that,
through.
sir. I have work, so I reached right now only the home.
Okay, no problem. Just go through the recording. Okay, just start the IPv6. Okay. Actually, we'll do the IPv6 today. Not feeling well, so we'll close shortly today. So what actually we are doing, IPv6 just try to, till now we have not started the lab. Just after this, I will start the 2 lab. Okay. So this one is the Anurag and Dinesh. So I have put just a UI64. Okay. So it is derived. I just put the UI64.
Sir, 1 second.
How it is actually being derived. Okay. So for the right now, my MAC address is C201623C0001. This is my MAC address. So what we need to do, you need to convert C means in the hexadecimal is the C format. C means 12. Am I right?
Yes.
And then 2. These 2 things you need to write in the binary form. Means you can directly 8 plus 4 or 2 4. Then it will come as 0 0 0 0 1 0. Am I right? This one is for the 2. This for 4. We need to represent for C and 2. Okay. Total we need to represent C and 2. Now this one is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bits. The value will become as 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0. So 7th bit, whatever is the 7th bit, you just need to reverse it. Reverse means 0. So what is the new value? 1 1 all 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now value will be C and 0. Okay. This value will be C and 0. Instead of C2, it will become as C0. Okay. Now before that, let me know. Actually, one thing I missed. For the this is the MAC address C201623C0001. What you need to do? You need to insert some means fixed value. It will be F. In between, in the middle, we need to insert this one. It's mandatory. It's by default value. So how it will look like C201, then 62 F, then FE3600001. You got it? How I have inserted in the just in the middle. Here is one part. Here is one part. In the middle, I have inserted it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now it is something C201, C62 FF, FE3C0011. Okay. Now again you need to put these 2 value as the binary. What I did, it will come as this one. And this 7th bit, you need to reverse. Now this value will be C00162 FF FE3C, sorry, 36, then continuous 0 you can put as the 1. This is the derived value. Exactly it is same to like this. Network bit is this one. Network bit exactly it will same. It's the fixed, no change. Clear now how it is derived?
Yes, sir.
It's we don't need to do. No need to do. It's automatic. But just need to know how it is being created. Okay. Let me go to
We had just defined the network part there.
EIGRP, extended unique identifier 64. Means it will automatically do this part. We don't need to do anything. It's automatically. Based on the MAC address. What you have told, sir, from the MAC address, it is derived. It is the thing which is derived from the MAC address, UI. Okay.
Yes.
Now come to one more. NRC. CCNA, CCNP basic lab. Okay, let's do IP, EIGRP OSPF in the basic. Very less people they are using IPv6. Okay. But you need to know as per the syllabus, you need to know. Just take the snap. Once done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. IP I have given. These are the IP. Let me provide you, because putting IP for you is also difficult. Let me provide you the configuration of the IP. Only IP I have put. We will do EIGRP, we will do OSPF. And this one. Can you please paste this one? This is just the IP configuration. Then we will do the EIGRP. Okay, let's start this one. Have you copied?
Copy, sir.
Okay. Try to remember if you are doing any kind of IPv6, okay, or either EIGRP, OSPF, or REAP-NG, okay. So what you need to do, we need to enable the IPv6 first. By default, it is not enabled. We need to enable the IPv6. IPv6 routing we need to enable. Unicast routing. I just enabled the IPv6 unicast routing. The command is very simple in the IPv6. Okay. So what you need to do then IP, how you are enabling the EIGRP on the IPv4?
Router EIGRP.
Yes, router EIGRP AS number. Here,
Yes, sir.
very simple thing. IPv6 router EIGRP. Okay. But try to remember one thing. In the IPv6, this process only in the EIGRP, you need to do the no shutdown. Otherwise, your EIGRP will be in the shutdown mode. Okay. Only for EIGRP. Now exit. This one it's completed. We did only the router EIGRP process. Then we need to enable the every routing protocol. IPv6 need to be enabled. Then for the EIGRP, what we did in the EIGRP, we enable the EIGRP, and in EIGRP, it's need to be global level. It need to be in the NOSA. Okay. So after that, just only one command on the interface, you need to enable the EIGRP. That's it. Interface FA 0/0 IPv6 interface loopback 0 IPv6 EIGRP.
Same thing we do in the IPv4, sir. If we have to broadcast any interface IP, either we can
Yes. Yes.
advertise through the network or either through the interface.
Interface. Yes. Yes. When you are enabling, yes, you told a very good point. Yes. Let me. When you enable one-to-one under the interface, suppose I want to send some unicast route, how will do? Suppose here I want to send the unicast EIGRP, how we did? Generally EIGRP on 224.0.0.0. Suppose I want to send it only through IP EIGRP, one-to-one, how I can do? Is it possible to send unicast in the
Yes.
EIGRP?
Yes, is it possible, sir?
How?
There is one command.
Never. IP
defined in
interface. Then exit interface. My never and my exit interface. Here, same side, the never exit interface. Don't advertise this 24.0.10. Under interface, just we have send it to my never through my exit interface. Am I right? Now you are able to remember? We did a lab. Are you able to? We did disable multicast, then enable one-to-one unicast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. This type of question you will get. So try to read, try to remember. Okay. Then IPv6 EIGRP. Okay. EIGRP. This is for the R1. R2. R2, one more interface will be there. Yes. This side. Because I need to enable the EIGRP in the complete topology.
Yes.
This is for the R2. Command is quite simple. Putting IP is difficult. Okay. R3, it's exactly same. Only one interface. And look back.
0 by 0.
Yes. No, 0. Only 0. Fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Look back is 0.
Yes.
I will go. You can see. If I will try to ping this look back. As of now, don't forget about this one. 3.3 IPv per loopback. In the OSPF, I can explain you what is that. Thing. Don't see. I have the reachability. Just basic simple command to enable the IPv6 EIGRP. Could you please paste? Once done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Okay. Before coming to OSPF, I need to know something from you guys. Because IPv6 is not important. Important is IPv4. What is router ID?
To send the link information in that network, sir.
A router ID will send the information in the link network?
Sorry, it's a ADR and BDR, yes.
No, who send link information? Now
DR
come.
and BDR.
Link information is sent by DR.
That network, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the LSA1? What is LSA2? Sorry.
Let's say what is the router?
Just a minute. Let me write first. Multiple question I will ask now. LSA. Because IPv6, you will not get any question. You will get from the IPv4. IPv6, you just need to know the command. Okay. Tell me. What is LSA1?
Link asset, sir.
Okay.
Let's say one communicating in the same area 0, right, sir?
Any area. But, oh, sorry. What is happening here? Link state. Okay, good. Now tell me, I want to see the LSA1. Very basic things I am asking, not a complicated one. I want to see the LSA1. What is the command?
Sir, so IP OSPF database करके.
Then listen, guys, I have multiple times I told you LSA1 is generated by each router. Yes or no? On that area.
Yes, sir.
Every router will share the link information. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the reason I told you directly, blindly you can put the command here. Everywhere the command is same. It is generated by the router. So blindly you can put the router here. I already told you. These are the very, believe me, these are the very basic questions, means 1.5 to 2 level questions. They are not, I'm not asking you to do the configuration to do the full lab in front of me. I am just asking what is the basic command. I am asking show command. Show command we are giving to L1.5 people. So this command, basic command at least, show command, you should know. And what is for the LSA2? Who generated this? Who generated this LSA2? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
5 and 6.
Whenever I get time, I have every time try to repeat some interview questions. Okay, but please guys try to study. LSA2.
Network.
Who generated? Yes, you are very good.
I remember. And it is generated by the.
Who? What is the other name of LSA2? I told you validation LSA means valid. Who valid? Who is the king of the area?
Yeah.
LSA3?
ASBR.
Huh?
ABR, sir. ABR.
LSA4?
LSA4 is used to.
LSA5?
LSA5 is the ASBR.
Yes.
External.
LSA7? I will come to last in the LSA4. LSA7?
LSA7 is the.
First question, on which area LSA7 will be generated? Very, very basic questions, guys, I am asking.
So LSA5 is blocked and
LSA, huh? Why? Till now, I have not asked anything.
Stop.
Stop? What is stop? Tell me, what is?
That last area of last area, sir, that termination area, kind of.
Dead end area, where
Dead end,
no,
yes.
no other area is connected. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me revise this point. Tell me, who on which area? I have written everything right now. On which area LSA7 is generated?
Not so stubby area.
Okay, very good. And how it is represented?
O2.
Now come to the LSA4. On which condition? First of all, let me know what is LSA4.
LSA4 provide the reachability. How
Very
how
good.
ASBR.
How I can go to the ASPR through my APR?
ABR. Right.
Yes, very good. Supporting LSA. Okay. Now let's discuss something about this. These are OSPF, you will not get so much questions. OSPF, I am telling you, OSPF you will get first question, you will get the stats. Then they will give some this kind of scenario. where DR-BDR election will be there. Then they will ask you something about the router ID and DR election process preemption. Okay. Then maybe they will ask you like on which router we will means filter, on which router we will summarize, something they will ask. And if they will go very basic level question, then they will ask you what is the ABR and what is the ASBR. Okay. Then they directly jump into the LSA. 1 to 7, 6 you can leave as of now. Okay. And then they will directly come into the this part. So, and with the command, every LSA, what is their work, who generated, and what is the command, and what is the output. Every output I have shown you, I have explained deeply. Like LSA power, if you will print, you will show you the advertising router is the AVR. Are you able to remember?
Yes, sir.
LSA to advertising is the DR. How it comes, even if I draw a table there, everything we did. So these things you need to know, then directly they will come into the stub area. From this, you will get very less questions. Only question will be if area 0 is not directly connected with the area 10, how they will communicate it through the VL. They will not ask you about the full configuration. Okay. So very basic means around 30 to 35 questions from OSPF, not more than that. Whatever I told you, these are. Then they will ask you stub. Let me know what is stub. What is the behavior of stub? Let's do it.
Send that information to that other area. So it's the last end, right, sir?
Okay. Which area will be blocked there?
Which area?
Sorry, which LSA will be blocked there?
Area.
Let's do one by one. Both of you guys, whatever you know, please tell. Whatever you know, whatever you have remembered, 2%, 3%, 5%, whatever you remember, please tell. Which LSA it will block? And what it will generate?
Sir, overroots will be there.
LSA 5 will, yes, overroots will be there. O is the OSPF. Yeah. OIA is the inter area. OE2 is the external, by default external. If you want to change the metric type 1, then OE1. And ON2 is the NSSA, LSA7. If you want to change into metric type 1, then ON1. Okay. Now tell me which LSA will be blocked? 5 will be blocked. Am I right?
Yes, sir, 5 will be blocked.
But I can reach to the external area also from the stop area. Yes or no? Suppose I am making as the area as the stop. From that area, I can go into the EIGRP area also. Am I right? If
Yes,
I will make an, yes, tell me.
We can reach from stub area to the external one.
Yes. How? If it is blocking 5.
The star root is there, sir.
O star IA?
Yeah, O star IA.
Default LSA3.
Yes. Default LSA3.
Okay, very good. What is the command? And on which router I need to put?
ABR, sir.
Try to understand. Stub or NSSA. Every router on that area. Just very simple command. Router OSPF 1. Suppose I am trying to put area 40 as the stub. Area 40 stub. Total stub is on the ABR only.
Okay.
Okay. One more question. I want to make an area as a total stub. So if I will put directly total stub, it will work or not?
It will not work, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Then what is the behavior of the total stub?
It will block that redistributed of routing.
Means LSA 5 is blocking?
LSA, yes.
Yes, very good. Then?
LSA 3.
Okay, very good. Then? How I have the reachability?
Star IA.
Star IA through 0000. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 00.
I have the reachability towards LS5. Okay, very good. Now come to, and what is the command?
Command for
Which router? Anurag already told ABR we need to put. But what is the command? This command they will ask because these are the basic command. You are already in the L3, L2, L3 level. So they will ask. Area 40. If you want to make an area 40 stop. Area 40 stop, no summary. Are you able to remember?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the NSSA?
Not store stubby area.
No, but what is the means benefit of this? Which area? First tell me on which area we can make an area as the NSSA.
The totally stuffed area is further the
No, totally stop area it's over. Now NSSA. Where we can generate the NSSA? Which area we can make an NSSA? Suppose one OSPF area connected to another non-OSPF area.
yes, sir.
And after that, there is no area. Then we can make this area as the NSSA. Clear? And what is blocked there? Characteristic of, if anyone will ask you, what is the characteristic of the, not so stubby area? What you will tell? It's blocking exactly same like. It will block your type 5 LSA. Then it will inject a type 7 LSA. Type 7 LSA that is only restricted to the NSS area. And your ABR inject this type 7 to other area as the type 5. But whenever there is return route from the ABR to my area, I don't have the return route because ABR cannot convert that type 5 into type 7. 7 to 5 we can convert, but 5 to 7 we cannot convert in the NSS area. So I will directly lose the connectivity towards the outside area. Able to remember?
Yes.
So we did two extension, NSS stop and NSS totally stop. Clear now?
Yes, sir. NSSA we will not serve.
You will have the reachability. So you need to do the NSS stop and NSS totally stop. Okay. Guys, do one thing, one request to you. OSPF, BGP, EIGRP, switching. Let me write. Complete CCNP. Completely CCNP, what question you will get? EIGRP, OSPF, BGP, switching, HSRP, VRRP, wireless. At least these things please start to read. EIGRP, OSPF, BGP. First, these things start to read. It's not possible. These things, these are the traditional things. URPF, BFD, these are the newly introduced CCNP. So a lot of people that are not aware are not aware about this part. But these things, these are the traditional CCNP. Wireless is the newly introduced. It's up to you. If anyone interviewer know about the wireless, they will ask. If they don't know, they will not ask. But guys, at least these are the very basic protocol in the EIGRP traditional. If you will miss, what is SIA?
Stuck inactive.
What?
Stuck inactive.
Where you got this? Means on which technology, which protocol you will find the SIA?
The SIA find in the EIGRP, sir, where EIGRP, if the successor route goes down and there is no physical successor, So the router will send the query message to the or nearby routers to know if any nearby router has the routes for a specific destination. If it is not received within the time frame, so
180 seconds.
Yes, 180 seconds.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. What is the feasibility condition? What is feasibility condition? Guys, start reading. Start reading.
Yes.
And one more thing also I have missed. You will get the question from VPN, which you will do on next week. GRE, MGRE. MGRE is through NHRP. DMVPN. By default, it is phase 1. Only it is there. 2 will do, 3 will do. Phase 2 also will do. Next week, phase 3 also do it. Next 3 days, these are the topic. This you will also get this question. So now CCNP, a very big syllabus. It's not like a CCNA. If you will, before the interview, 7 days, if you will start to read, CCNA will be over. But it's not in the CCNP. CCNP, we need to read a lot of things. CCNA, why we are doing CCNA? We need to clear our basic. If your basic will not clear, you cannot do the CCNP. So CCNA is mandatory, but somehow it is easy. But CCNP is not so easy. Then CCI. If your CCNP will not clear, then you will never come to the CCI. Start reading, start practicing. Okay. Whenever I will get time, means every time I try to discuss some questions, but please start reading, please.
Yes, sir.
R2, R3. At least in per day, try to spend 30 to 45 minutes with networking. Whether it is CCNA, CCNP, CCI, whatever. Just wireless, data center, SDA, SD1, whatever. Try to spend 30 to 45 minutes. Because after that, you need to learn. Because not only if you do only the CCNP, it's not good. Maybe some people will go to the, after that, they move to the security part. So for this, it should be clear. Maybe someone will move to the SD1. Maybe someone will move to the wireless. Maybe someone will move to the DC Nexus and SCI. Someone will move to the SDA part. So a lot of things are there. So these things should be clear. Okay. Let's do the R1, R2, R3. Now to the OSPF part. Okay. Yes. I have asked one question OSPF, router ID. What is router ID? What is the benefit of router ID? Why you are using router ID?
Router ID is used to make the election of the DR-BDR. Without this, the DR-BDR election will not
Yes.
be there.
So means advertising router, DR-BDR selection will be there. So without router ID, OSPF is 0. Nothing will election, no election will be there, no exchange will be there, no advertisement will be there. It means OSPF is 0. Am I right? Without router ID. So how we can configure the router ID? Not configure. How the router would be, means on which process router ID will be selected? What is the process 1?
First, we can define the
Manual. Yes, very
manual.
good. Then
Loopback interface.
okay. Then
highest interface.
loopback.
Loopback and then highest physical.
Yes, very good. IPv6 also I need at least for the router ID, I need a 32-bit address. IPv6 also in the OSPF, I need a 32-bit. So for that, this is the reason I have taken the loopback 0. So we don't need to worry about this part. I need a 32-bit address, so I have taken the loopback 0 there. Simple command, same command, what you are using in the OSPF, EIGRP, exactly same command. No difference, very simple command. IPv6, exactly same, exactly like EIGRP. IPv6 router, OSPF. Suppose I'm taking 5. Very simple. Area 0, because OSPF is based on the area concept. Oh, sorry. R2, one more interface will be there. F0 by 1. And one more interface will be there. R3. IPv6 route to OSPF5. So on, come to R1 and take partition. Oh, sorry. Here you just need to know the syntax, but kindly concentrate completely on the IPv4 part. Every command, every technology, how OSPF work, IPv4 should be very clear. Why it is not coming up? Need to see. It's not coming up. IPv6 router OSPF5. Okay, taking time. Let's wait for this one. So IP. What is the command to see the neighbor? Tell me the IPv4 command.
So IP OSPF
OSPF, then
summary. Yeah,
so IPv6 OSPF summary.
No, summary.
Then these are the command. Again, I am telling, try to remember. Okay. Now my so IP OSPF neighbor. So sorry. So IPv6 OSPF neighbor. So IP IPv6 OSPF never. So OSPF database. Everything concept is exactly same, just the IP and syntax is different. Okay. Command is exactly same. So command, just instead of IP, you need to type it here IPv6. Just paste it, copy it, guys. Once done, please let me know, then we will close.
Done, sir.
Okay, so guys, we are almost complete. Next to it will be GRE, MGRE, DMBP and IPsec. MGRE is based on the NHRP. It will be one day. We will go slowly. It will be one day. It will be one day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we have 2 days of buffer. We will see. Guys, just let me know. You are available for the next Sunday?
Coming Sunday, sir?
No, not this Sunday. Next means I think that will be on 18, 12 p.m.
12 p.m. Sir, can we say on next week, sir? Because if they have scheduled any call on that day.
Okay, no problem. On that, if you will let me know on the next Wednesday or Thursday, it will be good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
By next Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. So what if you will not be available? What is called Anurag? You are available Sunday 18, 12 p.m.
I will check, sir.
Okay, you can check. You guys, you can let me know by Wednesday or Thursday. If you guys are not available, your interview session I will do on the same time on the Friday, 9:30 p.m. And weekend I will continue on the 18th, because weekend also 17th is the last date, and here also Thursday will be the last date. So on your batch, I will do on Friday interview session. If you are not available on Sunday, there we can do on Sunday. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think we can close. Actually, today I am not feeling well, so let's close. Okay. See you. No class for tomorrow and Sunday. Okay. We'll see you on Monday.
Good night, sir. Bye.
Good night.
No
Bye.
class on, sir? When?
Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. We'll meet directly on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Please, on the weekend, please start reading about the OSPF. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye bye.